Maintaining engineering excellence in the country is a necessary condition for modern, effective international competition of nations. As the great Egyptian economist Ibn Khaldun, 1332-1406, the founder of modern world economic science, argued long before Western scientists. It was for this purpose that courses were organized to improve the qualifications of Egyptian engineers in Ukraine, within the framework of the Semaf Plant Modernization Project, Cairo, Egypt. They are implemented by the Arab Industrialization Organization, which includes the plant. The project is supported by the Canadian company Point North Engineering and Management Incorporated, Engineering and Consulting, which is the organizer of the event. The key factor in any successful venture is human resources. Therefore, the task of improving the qualifications of personnel is one of the most important tasks of the Semaf Modernization Project.
Наша цель сегодняшнего приезда в аэропорт – встреча команды инженеров компании Semaf, которые будут в Украине проходить техническую практику, грубо говоря, на которой мы будем делиться опытом, передавать опыт и давать новые знания.
The location of the training course in Ukraine is due to the fact that a significant part of the company's suppliers of design, technological solutions and equipment within the framework of this project are concentrated in Ukraine. The program of the series of seminars was structured in such a way that Semaf engineers received a complete picture of the required amount of knowledge and practical skills that are important for the modern production of railway equipment.
The first reaction from the team was very positive, so I'm very pleased to hear that people feel that they're benefiting from the training. The training is opening their eyes on many things, and I think this is the main purpose of the training, is to let people think, to get new ideas, to get new things, so they can improve their own factory, they can improve their own work. So I think it's going in the right direction. People are benefiting. The training is beneficial for the team. At least this is the feedback I got from the people.
The training is useful, of course, for me. We learn ISO 15085 and how to apply these instructions in our work field, and also ERB program and the LBM and PLM in our work to produce.
In the first lecture, there were fundamentals of the welding processing, and there was an overview for many ISO standards.
The theoretical part of the seminars was conducted by specialists of the Interdisciplinary Training and Certification Center in the Institute of Electronic Welding, named after E.O. Paton, National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine. It is a globally renowned brand that has developed key welding technologies used in various industries, including space industry. Many representatives of the countries of Europe, Asia, Latin America and Africa underwent advanced training in this center. More than 25,000 welding specialists of various levels, from a worker to an engineer, have been trained in various programs at the courses and at the center.
This training, in my consideration, it is a good overview that it will be the first step to be in the factory, to develop the factory to something higher than the status quo. And I hope that I can share in the development of my factory, Semaf. And this training is the beginning.
It's new to me, especially welding stress analysis standards, but it was enlightening. I have a lot of information.
thanks to the lectures of specialists from IT Enterprise, the leader in the international market for digital solutions for the manufacturing sector, Egyptian engineers got an idea of modern digital platforms used to manage design, technological, procurement, financial, logistics and other production processes of modern enterprises built on the basis of Industry 4.0 standards. The lectures included applied materials for software solutions currently being implemented at Semaf.
Студенты очень вошли в процесс, участвовали в процессе. Как вы видели, большинство обучения было построено на диалоге. То есть это не просто лекции, нам хотелось получить фидбэк. То есть мы реализуем процесс, и нам важно, чтобы конечные пользователи пользовались продуктами, понимали, какие преимущества он приносит их компании, им конкретно, что он облегчает их труд. Любая автоматизация помогает реализовать какие-то цели не только компании в целом, но и конкретного, как это облегчает их работу ежедневную, насколько им становится проще работать и какие преимущества мы приносим. Эта компания находится на стадии развития, и у них очень амбициозные цели, поэтому мы стараемся сделать для них самые лучшие решения, интегрироваться с мировыми поставщиками, чтобы они разговаривали с миром на одном языке. Наш продукт заходит им отлично, мы подготовили целую линейку процессов, процедур, которые учитывают лучшие практики в мире для такого типа предприятий. Очень радует, что они пошли этим путем и все полны энтузиазма.
Я считаю, что такие встречи нужно проводить и дальше. Программа должна быть углублена, особенно что касается подготовки сварщиков, проектных инженеров. Для них это очень важно, потому как в быстро наступающем мире, индустриальном, автоматизированном мире высококвалифицированных специалистов необходимо быть не просто хорошим специалистом, а лучшим. Наши специалисты компании «Восток», компании Enterprise, Патона и других предприятий, которые не потребуются, всегда готовы оказать помощь, подготовить специалистов завода Semaf и других компаний из Египта. Что касается передачи любых технологий, опыта, возможного обучения, мы им окажем любое содействие и готовы встречать в будущем на территории Украины.
The practical part of the training course was held on the basis of the production company Techvagonmash, Kremenchuk, Ukraine, which creates devices and equipment for locomotive and car building plants. Their products are known in more than 30 countries around the world. Semaf engineers saw the practical implementation of the theoretical knowledge gained in the previous lectures. They gained knowledge about modern types of devices and equipment for the production of wagons. Particular attention was paid to the equipment which is planned to be implemented directly at the plant in Egypt. At the request of the students, an applied lecture was held on the practical implementation of the requirements of series of standards for the quality management system ISO 9001 at the production of Techvagonmash. The course ended with a 2-day workshop from PN Canada. The company's engineers gave a course of lectures on the design of modern wagons, standards and fundamentals of the design of railway equipment. Attention was paid to identifying the necessary measures to generate high-quality design data at Semaf and a system for managing them. This is a key factor in creating competitive products and implementing the approaches of the IRIS specialized railway certification system at Semaf. The main tasks of improving the manufacturability of the design of the cars produced by Semaf have been identified, which is the key to the high quality of the products. The Semaf staff was provided with comfortable accommodation, 3 meals a day, and transport throughout the program. We have also taken care of cultural events on the weekends. Bus excursions were organized during which Egyptian colleagues got acquainted with the sites of the cities of Kyiv and Kremenchuk, were able to visit local mosques and perform religious rites. PN Canada representatives provided 24/7 support to Egyptian colleagues in educational and household tasks.
First of all, I'd like to thank all of the staff here for your great hospitality. It's my first time to travel abroad, and I found all the best hospitality from you. Thanks so much.
First, I would like to thank Mr. Mikhail, the chairman of Vostok, for his hospitality and for the support of the team, starting with you, Mr. Andrei, for your taking care of all of us.
I think I would like also to thank you and Andre for organizing this training for the Semaf team. I just came in yesterday, so unfortunately I was not in this training, but I came to check on the team to make sure that the training is fit for purpose.
The training materials provided by Semaf include presentation and video materials, which will serve as the beginning of building a library of enterprise knowledge for training other personnel.
В современном мире непрерывность обучения и образования является определяющим фактором. То есть этот процесс должен быть непрерывным.
The process of forming deep specialized engineering knowledge is a long process that sometimes takes up to 5 years. This is why the training of national engineers abroad is so important. This training course was the first step in building a professional team at the Semaf plant. Further success must be developed through the formation of a continuous process of training personnel at all levels, from executive managers and engineers to the worker.
For me, training is a continuous process. It's not one certain time, it's a continuous process. So we'll try to discuss with the Semaf management that this training could continue in the future. We should organize additional training for the people just to make sure that they reach a certain level where they can think differently, do things differently, and improve the efficiency and the quality of their own product in Semaf. So it's a continuous process. It's not a one-shot deal.
A lot of them has start think of how we can really getting better, getting our factory better, and they will think a lot when they come back to Egypt.
It is worth taking the slogan "Quality personnel equals quality and competitive products" as a guide to action. Our team will always be there. We are confident that Egyptian engineers will find their proper place in the new International Division of Labor to continue the glorious historical tradition of Egyptian engineering excellence.
Есть еще над чем работать, но я считаю, что основные цели достигнуты, и я надеюсь, что мы дали хороший толчок египетским инженерам для их будущего прогресса и для их самосовершенствования и самообучения. Мы будем продолжать их поддерживать в их стремлениях.